Hi guys, it's Jeff Jones with theboxman.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. Our website is www.theboxxmen.com. We are theboxman.com. Okay, let's just join in, or let's just jump in, I should say, on a real quick tip from our Formula boxes. Now, on my last video, I had a couple of my subscribers, or a couple of people commented that my viewer screen is going to be up and to the right. They were wondering how I was able to do that. So let's jump in really quick on to do this. So what you want to do, I am on the Formuler GTV. So this is one of the best Formuler units that the manufacturer makes, other than the new Formuler Z11 Pro Max. Everything I'm going to show you can be found in the MyTV Online too. So the first thing you want to do is if you're on this unit or any Formula unit, is you want to hit the My TV Online 2, and it should come in to, let me go here, a full screen because I'm on AccuWeather. All right. Once you're on AccuWeather, if you hit the menu button, you want to go all the way down to the settings. Press OK. From there, you want to go down to channel list style. I'm on the classic style. That is the style that I use to put the viewer option or the viewer window in the top right. So if you are using the normal side, what I'll do is go back to the AccuWeather. When I press the OK button on the remote, it's going to give me the group of channels that it's in. I'm in a news group. The second thing, if I push to the left on the directional pad, boom, it should give me the other groups that I can switch to. There is no viewer screen on the normal TV view. So let's go back, press the back button again. I'm going to press the menu button, and this time I want to change it back. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go right back down to settings, and then I'm going to go all the way down to channel list style, press OK, put it back on classic, and go back and show it again. So now when I'm back in my AccuWeather channel, I'm going to let the at the bottom go away. So I'll get a full screen. Once I do that, press the OK button, and you should have the viewer screen up in the right-hand corner. You'll love it in the right-hand corner because it gives you options below the viewer screen. Let's say I wanted to save this as a favorite channel. All I would need to do, is press the blue button there because there's a star there. Now there'll be a star next to AccuWeather. That'll be in the favorites up here, right there. That'll be right there, and you can see all those channels are right there, the AccuWeather and all that. Those are things that can be saved in your favorite. That, my friends, is how you put the viewer window in the right-hand corner. All right. So I wanted to just show this really quick video, no more than maybe 5 to 6 minutes. If you guys are interested in this device, you can do your homework. We have it on theboxman.com. We are giving one away this month. So I'm going to put up at the top before I exit this platform. You want to send the word thermo to the number that's going to be on the screen. I'll put it right on the screen. You want to text that to that keyword, the keyword thermo, I believe, to the local number here, and we will pick you whether you live in Canada, whatever it might be. Canada is probably the only place that will ship without any issues. But make sure you sign up for the free giveaway at the end of this month for one of these devices, the Formuler GTV. With that said, if you'd like to know more about what's going on or what we have, we would love to show you. Don't hesitate to use the 800 number to give us a call. If we don't answer, please leave a message and we'll get back to you. Have a great